What's going on, everybody? How's it going? It is Tuesday, October 19th. Bitcoin ETF is trading on the New York Stock Exchange. So that means one thing and one thing only: more eyes on the crypto market, more opportunities to hunt. And that's exactly what I've done here today. I uncovered what could be a potential gem, and I wanted to bring it to you so you had the opportunity to get over there, look into it, research it, and decide if you want to jump into yourself. So, with that being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Well, all right, everybody. Like I said, I am very, very excited. Bitcoin ETF has officially launched and is trading. Crazy milestone. So it's only fitting that today I'm here to talk to you about Bitcoin's first smart fork in its history. It's keeping the Satoshi vision alive, but it's also based on Ethereum's network, which will allow you to do so much more with it. It is the Bitcoin designed for DeFi. So here is your opportunity for some amazing staking rewards and your chance to get in on something at the ground floor. So if you like what you see in this video, guys, check it out for yourself. I'll show you the charts. I will show you a whole bunch of information on this because for me, it was definitely something I wanted to bring to you. So as you'll see, the website is Bitcoin SB, not SV, SB. Right? So this is the smart Bitcoin. And what this is going to allow you to do is this is the same Bitcoin promise of peer-to-peer electronic cash system, and it's going to meet the needs of DeFi and with the velocity of the Ethereum decentralized network. You can stake your BSB and earn up to 20% per week. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a hell of a return on your investment. That's an exciting stuff. So the biggest vision meets the best technology, right? We all understand what Bitcoin has meant to every single person out there. So, but now providing a way to kind of cut out those crazy long fees, right? And all that stuff. Crazy long wait times, the fees that can add up, and really just the ease of use from wallet to wallet and all that stuff. So this is really going to help some potential mass adoption issues that Bitcoin faces, right? That's why we use that as the store of value. So these guys are created by purists, right? Bitcoin enthusiasts, and they really wanted to make sure that they could come up with something to fill the gaps on where Bitcoin kind of fell a little short when compared with other projects out there. So Bitcoin SB is the first smart fork, which is going to allow you to have DeFi, payment, NFTs to the Bitcoin name in the Bitcoin universe. So this is pretty exciting stuff, right? Because if you're looking here, this staking platform where you can earn up to 20% per week, right? This has been audited already by Hacken, which is a pretty good audit company. If you're not sure, you should definitely check them out. But Hacken has audited this, which is amazing. You can open a Bitcoin SB account in absolute seconds. Here you go, coming soon to the Apple Play Store and coming soon to Google Play. So you can absolutely start digging in and really seeing about that. So some of the things that I wanted to make sure you understood before we really jump in to some of the charts and all that on here is the price surged from $1 to about $400. All right, so it shot up. People saw that this was something they wanted to get into, and they got in pretty quickly. Now the beautiful thing here is you can see it. I mean, it peaked at $451, and now we're sitting about $123. So you got your your crazy pump. Got your profit taking. Now we seem to have found a little floor here and potentially start to see a rejection. This is the daily candle. If you look at the 4 hour, you'll be able to get a good view of it here as well. Boom, found some support. Got a little rejection here on the 4 hour. So you'll be able to see, there's some solid liquidity here, $245,000 in total liquidity. Holders, we got, only 287 holders. So if you like being early, like we love to be early here, that's something you want to keep in mind. And now this here, it's a public team. So their LinkedIns are available as well. So if you wanted to take a look at all of that stuff, I think it's important because you want to make sure you know what you're getting into. So you can see here, we got Jeremy here, is the president of the Bitcoin SB Council. Here's the contributors and network representatives here. So you can see their LinkedIns are available, and that's always a good plus. So the rug proofness of this is what I like. So they got the Uniswap liquidity locked via Unicrypt, which is nice. It's 99% of the total supply is locked in smart contracts. Okay, so if you take a look here, you see there's a total of 1 billion BSB, and you come to the holder tab, right, on Etherscan, you'll see these things here. In case you don't know, when you see these before the addresses, that means they're smart contracts. So you always have the people asking the Telegram, who's the #1 holder? Well, it's the smart contracts, okay? So this is their staking and all of that. So if you look here, there's so much that is actually locked up on these smart contracts that the actual supply is nearly nothing. And that is exciting stuff, right? It keeps that supply low, meaning this thing can absolutely skyrocket as it starts going. So it's listed on CoinGecko, listed on CoinMarketCap, right? So you can see that all those links here from my buddies over at Dex. I do use Dex tools rather than any other of those charting ones. I'm a CoinGecko guy. I follow CoinMarketCap closely. So they have liquidity and farming pools that are on the way as well. So for your traditional DeFi experience, it will be there as well. So you can absolutely come over here. They're being tracked by CoinMarketCap, and they're doing everything that they're is supposed to do, especially right out of the gate. I mean, if you're seeing here, this thing is 1 week old. So this is a very, very early opportunity, and to me, a nice potential entry here. You see a lot of momentum up, right? A lot of momentum up. So just a 2x will get you just right around where this last little support resistance level is. So there's some huge potential, some huge upside on here, and that is something that I always look for. So not only can you make some crazy gains, 20% from staking, you can also see, guys, there's a lot of room for growth on this chart here. So as long as the team stays updating and developing and releasing stuff as the farming comes in, and additional marketing hits and all of these things that we know and love about our early projects, man, this has some potential to really take off. So I wanted to bring it to you today because I saw a great opportunity to get in on this at a very good entry. So obviously we missed the launch and the fair launches that happens from time to time. So what you wait for on that is you wait for that crazy pump, you wait for the profit taking sell off, and then you wait for it to find some support. And guess what? It looks like we might be finding some support here. So at least put this thing on your watch list and keep your eye on it, right? Because it seems like we found some support, especially right around here at the $100 level. It's a couple times it's hit that. So, I mean, that's a pretty solid support level. Multiple touches with a little solid rejection up here to the $120, $130 range. So, to me, this is still well within my price range. I would be looking for an entry between 100 and probably 140 with, initial targets of 220 upwards of 300, 350. So, obviously, your strategies are your strategies. Do it as you see fit. If it's a long-term hold for you, none of that stuff matters. And just sit back, relax, and collect those staking rewards. So, guys, I wanted to talk to you today about Bitcoin SB. I'm pumped up on all things Bitcoin because today, once again, the ETF is trading and everybody got eyes on the crypto market. So, ladies and gentlemen, get over here, check it out for yourself, do your research, do your due diligence, and let us know what you think in the comments. And until next time, everybody, happy crypto hunting.